Transform your mapping experience with Bad Elf GNSS and Avenza Maps. This powerful combination provides vastly improved accuracy by combining the Avenza mapping app with your highly accurate Bad Elf GNSS receiver. Why Bad Elf and Avenza? Affordable accuracy. Bad Elf's high-performance GNSS receivers provide real-time high accuracy. You get quality points, lines, and polygons. If you're collecting data, you're assured that your feature coordinates are where the maps say they are. Phone locations can drift wildly, leading to jagged geometry and scattered points. It's offline capable. Off the grid, continue using your map and Bad Elf receiver even without a cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Let's cover how to get started, with an extra step for those using Android. You'll need a Bad Elf receiver and the free Bad Elf Flex, available on both Apple and Android, as well as the Avenza app. Pair your device via Bluetooth settings if you haven't already. If you're using Android, set your mock location app as the Bad Elf Flex app. If you need assistance, check the description for more information. Next, open the Bad Elf Flex app. Start streaming corrections if you're using RTK with an extreme receiver. Otherwise, skip to opening Avenza Maps. Launch the Avenza Maps app on your device and open the settings menu. Next, select GPS settings. For the location source, select to use any source. Feel free to adjust the horizontal accuracy to your preference. However, we don't recommend setting this lower than 6 meters or 20 feet, as this is the lowest Avenza will report, regardless of the actual accuracy the Bad Elf receiver is providing you in the map. The remaining settings aren't affected by this limitation, so feel free to adjust them to your preference. Start mapping. Open up the base map or downloaded map and watch as your location data becomes more accurate than ever before. Swipe up on the bottom of the screen to view your current location, heading, and altitude. Click the link to Avenza's guide for more information. Thanks for following this guide, everyone. Stay mappy, my friends.